Sorry for the sudden cut off, you guys.
No. Oh, never mind.
They are. It's a million freaking ants.
I'm scared to walk in this water. I mean, in this grass. Okay, so if you guys are watching the watch the previous video, y'all already know what's going on. What? Where is it?
Big spider over here.
Let's hope it's not a tarantula. Tarantulas can be venomous.
Get a picture of that ant. The ant.
I'm not going anywhere near that.
Well, that's what a camera's for, so you don't have to get close to it. Haven, you're not even watching where you're walking, and there's probably some seriously pissed off snakes in this water.
Those are all ants.
Still floating.
Ants.
Log just went across the yard.
Okay, I want to go inside where it's safe. I want to go in the church where it's safe. Oh my gosh. Look at how deep this water is.
I'm gonna see how deep.
It has never been this deep. I am honestly a little scared, you guys. I am. I'm scared. Okay, actually, I'm not walking in there.
Let's see how big the... Yeah, so the weed.
What?
That's Miss Bell's house, right?
I think so. The one with the chickens on the yard?
Yeah, Eternity said she saw hers online, and it's that she has a lake. You need to get a picture of this yard.
I did.
Not that you can tell. Oh my gosh.
Oh my Irene. Alright, you guys. I'll let y'all know how it goes later tonight. It's definitely...
Okay.
I think it is definitely receding because it's not as deep as it was
drop it in the
when
water.
we were in here and
Hey,
when
Trinity,
it's
what's up?
outside. Alright, you guys. Well, I am scared. I am also a little bit happy. My mom's drying my legs off right now. Alright, you guys. Well, I think that about does
Are you done out
the
there?
vlog for this week.
Yes, you are.
I love you guys. Stay safe out there. What's the highest that it has ever flooded where you are? Let me know in the comments because I am actually really curious. Anyways, guys, I'm going to... Yeah, I really need to brush my hair because it's a mess.
Alright, I'm sorry, I had to dry.
Love you guys. Bye.
Okay.
It's not...